Hi there, students. A billet-doux. Okay, I'm wondering about the pronunciation of this. This word is very literary, and therefore, as it comes from French, it's pure French, I think you probably should use the French pronunciation. Although you may find many people saying a billet-doux or even a billet-doux as well. But I think probably your best bet is a billet-doux because it's a very formal, literary, old-fashioned phrase. Anyway, sorry. This is a noun. It means a love letter. It's that simple. Yeah. So I see he's got another billet-doux from his secret admirer. They were swapping billet-doux by using a go-between who took their letters from one to the other. Yeah, it's a love note. He was reading a billet-doux written in a lady's handwriting. Whenever he receives his billet-doux, he is always happy and really good-tempered. Yeah, he sent billet-doux to the daughter of the Prime Minister, but these had to be in secret. So it's a love letter, and the meaning is very clear and easy. So let's see, formality. Would I use it in an informal conversation? I think I would probably give it a 6 in formality. I think you could probably use this in an informal conversation, but when talking with posh people. So this is a very posh phrase, or maybe if you're joking, yeah, yeah, and you're making a joke about it, but I think this is an old-fashioned and very literary word. And then as to origin, well, I said it comes from French. Billet, for example, is a note, yeah, a £10 note, a 100-franc note, a billet. And then doux means soft, okay? So a soft letter or a soft note, a love letter, and that's the idea of it. Let's see. I think if you were writing a poem, this would be a great word to use. You might use it if you were writing an essay as well, about a person or something like that. But be careful where you use it. I think maybe in a very formal document, it's not a good thing to use. I would use a love letter. So notice this word, it's literary, it's old-fashioned, it's posh, so you need to be careful to use it in the right place. Notice as well there's a hyphen in the middle. So a billet-doux, a love letter, or a billet-doux, or billet-doux. I can think of various other pronunciations that you might hear. Okay, so a love letter. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A billet-doux, a billet-doux, a billet-doux.